Okay, after clearing up the code, no check engine light showing up anymore. There's a maintenance required light here that says pretty much replace your engine oil, so it's due for engine oil. Yeah, it will show that. It's 181,270. Everything is still fine. Yep. I'm waiting for the update to finish on my OBD scanner. My other camera actually died. There's no battery left, so this is a continuation of that video, but so far everything works. Let's put it into drive. There was an error with the steering angle, so I don't know if it matters, but so far everything works. There's no TPMS problem, so probably there's like a electrical glitch maybe when they did the windshield. Yeah, sometimes you go to a shop and it's kind of like you don't know what's going on with their stuff in there. I mean, they probably didn't disconnect stuff, and usually these hybrid cars are very sensitive to electrical disconnections. So driving this around, yeah, when it's past due, this car pretty much displays the maintenance required light all the time. If you try to erase it like that, it will actually show up again. The mileage, I mean the oil change interval for this is 3,000 miles, which is actually pretty short for a synthetic oil. Yeah, at 181,000 miles, this car is still pretty good shape. I don't see any degradation in driving, suspension. I haven't replaced anything. The only thing that I replaced on this one are the tires, the front brakes, the rear brakes is, I think the rear brake, yeah, I replaced it already. The front brake is actually still the original one. And oil changes on the the transmission, or the what they call that, the power transfer unit. And then there's some slow oil leak on the refrigerant on this car. So what I do is I just like top it off during summer. Usually every summer, yeah, it will not cool pretty much, so I just top it off and it works okay. Yeah, I'm gonna reset that maintenance required. I think next week I'm going to change the oil for this, or probably end of the month. Yeah, I mean 3,000 mile oil change interval for a synthetic is ridiculous. Yeah, it should be like around 5,000. Yeah, or maybe 4,500. So I don't worry about that when it warns you with this kind of message. So far every electronics work. Oh, the thing is, somewhere around 150,000 miles. I actually changed the hybrid battery for this. The reason for that was that I think my daughter didn't use it for 2 weeks. She just like parked it for a long time, and when she tried to start it, it started to throw errors like replace hybrid battery. And I tried to reset the code for that, and it wouldn't fix by itself, or the battery is still dead. I hope it recharges back to normal, but it wouldn't. So there might be cells there that are really going bad because it's not being used for a while. Yeah, for hybrid cars, you need to like drive them often. It should be your daily driver. So as of now, look at the charge there. I'm gonna turn this off. Then I'm going to press this button, and then at the same time press the on button. We'll try again. Should be on the A trip mode. Yep. Okay. Now yep, it's in ready mode. Starting. Yep. There's no maintenance mode now. Okay. I think it's fixed. Yeah. So there's really no problem. The check engine light was caused by the fuel cap there is not properly tightened. So I think my daughter was in a rush and didn't put it properly. I tightened it back, and it didn't. The check engine light didn't show up again.